Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cooking with Karen. Today I'll be showing you how to make baked fish. But before we do all of that, don't forget to like the video, tell everybody you know, and subscribe. We have here the steak fish, and it's been marinating in the fridge for about 2 hours. I already put the grinded seasoning on it. I have mustard. I put this in everything. You'll need foil wrap. You need Chinese sauce, or you could use the casserole. I have soya sauce here. I have hot sauce. A bit of butter you need. Of course, you have the cube. This is the color and to flavor. We have here sweet pepper. We have the celery and the thyme. I have fish seasoning. If you don't have that, you could leave it out. It's not necessary because you already have the other seasonings. This is the same grinded seasoning. I just put it in a jar. And of course the black pepper. And the pan is already buttered. So I'll just, after season it up again, I'll just put it in here. The mustard, soya sauce, pepper, the casserole. You could use the Chinese sauce. The cube. Black pepper. Some of the fish seasoning, and of course if you don't use cube, you could use the salt, or if you don't use any of the two, whatever you use in replacement, or if you don't use any, you do that. Don't forget, you're eating it and you have to know your preference. Mix it up. Just put the fish over in the pan. Throw the sauce over it. Put a little butter. On each piece of the fish. Sweet peppers in. The sweet peppers are for garnish, and also I like my sweet peppers cooked, so you could put it in before it bakes, or you could put it halfway through the process. We will now put the file on the top, and this is just to make sure all the heat would seal in, and also the fish would cook through. And then halfway through the process, we will just take off the file and let it continue cooking. This time I will put it on top. That is for decoration, and also, you know, make it look a little presentable and nice. We'll cut it. Minutes we can take off the file and just let it cook at the top. Yeah, to 350 degrees. Yes, we'll check back in the next 15 minutes. It's been about 15 minutes and it looks good. And if you only get the scent of it, it smells lovely. So we'll just take the thyme and garnish it at the top. Then we'll put it back in for another 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how it is at the end. And let it cook. And then we'll have some lovely baked fish. Yeah. It's finished. It looks delicious and it smells lovely. So I'll just plate it and have a bite. Let's see how it tastes. It's cooked right through. See? Tastes delicious. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Check me out in another video. Bye.